What's good, y'all? It's your boy Rob Love, and I'm back with another video. I'm a week late, but it's okay because I have some tricep exercises for you. Last week, I showed you guys my bicep exercises with dumbbells. This week, I am showing you some tricep exercises with dumbbells. And we're gonna be hitting the lateral head, which is the AKA horseshoe. We're gonna hit that long head back there, and also the medial head. Hopefully that's in the camera view. Medial head is like right there underneath the, right there underneath the long head. So here we go, let's get started. All right guys, so first muscle we're gonna hit is going to be the long head. Like I said, that's the muscle in the very back. Hopefully you can see that. That's gonna be the muscle in the very back. That's the muscle that's gonna make your arms look big from the back. The majority of the exercises that's gonna hit that muscle is gonna be over the head. Anything that's gonna put a lot of stress on that muscle. Hitting it from here, anything down here is going to be more so the lateral head. So first exercise we're gonna start with is going to be skull crushers. And we're gonna superset that with some single dumbbell over the head extensions. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so you don't need to go heavy with skull crushers. I'm gonna use these 20s here. We're gonna do both arms at the same time. And you wanna come behind the head, keep your elbows in. You don't want your elbows spread out. Keep your elbows tight, work our way straight up. You wanna feel a good stretch in that long head. And we're gonna hit about 15. I feel like doing 15. This is kind of right. You want it slow and controlled. Get a nice stretch right there. And then contract the long head. You want to squeeze it. Squeeze it tight. All right guys, so the next exercise we're gonna hit for the long head is going to be over the head dumbbell extensions. We're gonna use one single dumbbell right over the head, and we're gonna get you'll get a real nice good stretch in your long head with this exercise. You wanna make sure you keep your elbows in tight. We're gonna grab a little bit of a heavier weight. We're gonna go 40 pounds since we are using both hands. With this one, like I said, keep your elbows tight. We're gonna get a nice stretch down and flex, contract the long head. Stretch right there. Woo! That was tough. Oh yeah. All right guys, so next exercise we're gonna hit is gonna be for the lateral head. That's that horseshoe. This is actually one of my favorite exercises. So this is called dumbbell kickbacks. And these will do each arm individually. Honestly, I like to lean over on the bench. It's really important with this exercise that you have that elbow up and you're gonna kick it straight back. Now, if the elbow's not up and you're down here, that's not gonna work. That defeats the whole purpose. Elbow up, you want the elbow back past your back. You wanna kick it straight back. Right there. And come back straight down to 90. No reason to come down here. Just keep it right there at 90, kick it straight back. Like that. side. Elbow up, kick it straight back. All right. Those burn. All right, guys, so next exercise we're gonna hit for the lateral head is just gonna be your body weight dips. I'm gonna actually show you 3 different ways you can do this. What you're gonna do is lean up against the bench, both hands on the back of the bench, and you're just gonna come down 90 degrees. You don't wanna go down too low because we're not hitting chest. And you're just gonna come straight up and you're gonna flex. You gotta flex that lateral head, contract it as hard as you can. Right there. Burn. All right, so here's another way you can also do your body weight dips is putting your feet off into a chair or a bench. This just allows you to hold more body weight. Come down about 90, straight up, contract that lateral head. Flex it as hard as you can. All right, and the next way, if you want to get real advanced and fancy with it, you can grab a weight, dumbbell, or a plate. You want to grab this beautiful 45 plate that I made. If you want to see how I made this, just go watch one of my previous, my second video I made. I'll show you guys how I made these weights. So you just put this here in your lap. Add a little bit more weight. And we're gonna bust them out. All right, so next exercise we're gonna hit is going to hit that medial head right underneath the long head right there. Hopefully you got a good view of it. Right up underneath there. This exercise is actually just your reverse dumbbell press, close grip. And we're gonna do it with dumbbells. So, keep them tight, keep your elbows tight. And reverse grip. You're just gonna press. All right, so that's all I got for you guys on triceps. Mine are pumped. Oh man, feel good. If you didn't see my bicep exercise video, please go check that out. All right guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys made it this far. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. If you like the video, please hit that like button. We gotta get that algorithm going. I'm trying to stay consistent with these videos and I'm actually loving the process. It's a bit of a struggle, but I'm loving it. I'm happy I'm finally doing it. Yeah, so thanks for making it this far in the video. If you made it this far, please hit the like, comment button. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace out. Holla at your boy.